Did you hear that sound? Did you hear it? Yeah. That should be the alarm, the door alarm. Alright, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about our natural internally built alarm system, or what you call intuition. Everyone has it. So we're talking about the alarm system within our system, very similar to what you just heard, the sound of an alarm system from the car, from the door, from the fire alarm system installed in the house. Those come to alert us by sound. Most of the time they alert us by sound. I'm your girl Mary of Creating with Mary. To my subscribers, thank you for your subscriptions. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, the subscribe button is down below this video. You can click on it and you become a part of this channel. And if you turn on the notification bell, you get a notification every single time a new video is uploaded to my channel, so that you can keep track of what is new on my channel. So I'm your personal development plug. In 2023, you owe yourself the gift to develop yourself, to cultivate yourself. And I have a variety of topics in the self-development playlist, in the personal stories, healing and personal transformation stories, and my gardening playlist also contains a number of videos that you will learn a thing or two from. So I have a whole array of resources here that you can take advantage of. So don't deny yourself of that opportunity to grow yourself this year and become the better version, even as you're going to the best version of yourself. So an alarm system is essentially for safety and security of a physical property, a process system to ensure that accidents don't happen. Incidents don't happen in the process, and to ensure that your house doesn't get boggled, the fire doesn't destroy the property. So those systems are installed for safety and for security of people and of property. Recently, in my alumni group, we had to raise some money for a member of our group because she was defrauded. Quite a large sum of money in a business deal. And then that affected her badly, and because we rallied around her, that's helped to assuage the health challenge that could have caused on her. So people rallied and contributed something for her so that she could move on from that loss. As a people generally, we have a tendency to not trust our intuition. Our intuition is our internal alarm system. It has evolved over years, over the millions of years that humans have been on Earth. And our ancestors depended a lot on it to prevent themselves from danger. And I think it's part of the reason why people fall into a lot of suffering and pain, is because we ignore this alarm system within ourselves. We ignore it. We don't pay attention to it. We dismiss it sometimes and say, this hunch is not reliable, and then we fall into traps like bad business deals, bad relationships, and we have intense pain and suffering, which could have been prevented if we relied on our intuition or our gut feeling or our hunches. Sometimes we get this feeling. So the intuition is a natural protective system so it's the same way we have a physical body with the senses or the physical senses that we can see. And see with our eyes when danger is approaching. Your brain can quickly calculate what you need to do. You can hear something and you quickly calculate what you need to do, or perceive something with your nose. You know that something is burning, you need to run off and do something about it, or you feel something in your skin, or you taste something in your mouth. Those are the 5 senses or organs. They help us to protect ourselves from taking in harmful, but you taste something that's offensive, that's bad, if you consume it further, you're going to fall sick or you're going to fall dead. So those are protective devices, that the body has. And similarly, the psychological body, the body we can't see outside of this body, also have its own alarm system. So our system is a network of, many systems. So it's our internal system, and we do well to pay attention to it. Have you ever had any situation in your own life where you dismissed your intuition and you suffered for it? You may want to share some of that in the link below. Yes, so yeah, I have personally suffered in a relationship where I knew that relationship wasn't good for me because my intuition said something is off. Something is not right about this. But somehow I dismissed it. Somehow I ignored it, and then I suffered. I suffered greatly because of that inattentiveness to that intuition. And so that's one of the reasons why I'm making this video. I want us to create the better version of ourselves, and one of the ways of creating the best version of yourself is to pay attention to your intuition and cultivate it. Every single human, every single person has this gift of intuition within them. Now, because they are not using it, because they have not cultivated it, doesn't mean it's not there. Every single person has it, but because it's a very subtle alarm system, it's not the alarm system that goes the way we just heard at the beginning of the video, bang, 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 bang. It doesn't go like that. It goes very subtly. And the more you cultivate silence within yourself, the more there is less noise within you, the more you can hear your intuition. In the next video, I'll be sharing 5 tips to cultivate your intuition. Don't want to miss that. Stay tuned.